Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nurse Alyssa, and today we're going to be doing things a little bit differently because I was actually on a nursing forum group, and there were so many people on there asking about how to work from home as a nurse, make an income. So I had talked to a bunch of different nurses, and I realized that there's so many nurses who really don't want to work bedside anymore. They're tired, they're overworked, feel that they're underpaid. They want to do something different, but they don't want to leave nursing altogether. And right now, I believe that's a very good thing to do because we need as many nurses as we can. We don't want to be losing them, and the percentage of nurses that just want to uproot and just leave everything behind is astonishing. They want to just go into something completely different. My thoughts is, why not use the education you have to get the freedom that you want? Because with nursing, it's such a demanding career. They schedule you for whatever times. There's all different shifts, 12-hour shifts, weekends, nights, holidays. You just never seem to get time off. You request time off, and a lot of times you don't get it because, they can't spare the extra person right now. I came into that problem a lot where the company I was working for didn't want to give me time off when I requested it. So I have 2 years ago left bedside nursing. So I am a wound care specialist, and I was working in the community and also at a clinic, and I was very, very overworked. I couldn't possibly fit in any more clients in a day, and then I would get phone calls where, well, you have to deal with this because you have no choice. So it was kind of the straw that broke the camel's back. I couldn't physically do it anymore. So I did end up leaving my career, not really sure of what I was going to do. I had started a YouTube channel about a year prior to this, just because it was something that I enjoyed doing. I really, really love educating people, clients. So that's really what I started to do when I left my nursing career. And I went into the online space to educate nurses, to educate patients on wound care. So that's what obviously I do with this channel, but that's not the only thing that I do. So I also have a business aside from my nursing channel, but it also really includes nursing, okay, and that educational aspect. So that's what I really wanted to share with you guys today, because I know there's a lot of nurses, healthcare professionals that are watching my channel, and if you would like to have either a side income so you can cut back on those hours, or if you have completely already quit your job. I'm not telling you to quit your job. Please do not do that because you always want to be able to support yourself before you ever make any rash decisions. But if you're looking for something more to go more into the preventative side, you can do this and have your own business and work your own hours from really anywhere you want to work, okay? I know what I'm specifically doing. You need to be located in Canada, US, or Mexico. That's your resident, okay? You need to be a resident of one of those countries, and if you are, then you can exactly do what I'm doing. So without saying exactly what I'm doing, I'm telling you that you can use your social media platforms. Okay. Use social media platforms you already use. I had grown my actual Facebook page to, my personal page to 23,000. And I was like, okay, I kind of want to put this off so business and pleasure are not. So, I stopped doing so much on my personal Facebook and moved over to a Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, you have all of these to utilize. Okay. So then you just make short form videos and educate people. You make short form videos and educate people. And then you either have a link tree, in your bio. Once you have that in your bio, people will go there and they'll either buy from you or like whatever you're using, whether it be an affiliate, your own products. I do affiliate because I want to educate people. Obviously, I'm an affiliate with a company who I trust through and through, and I was with way before I ever started promoting them. I just absolutely love the company. So that's what I started promoting, and it's been working out great for me. So I don't ever promote my stuff directly though. Okay. I don't want to sell. That is where I'm at. I don't want to, I don't care to sell to people. I want to educate people. And if you're educating people, giving people value, that's when people are going to come and buy. Okay. So don't sell to people, simply educate. Okay. Especially as a nurse, you have this role where you can educate, give people, let people trust you, let people build a rapport with you through the internet, through your educational channels, and they're going to learn to love and trust and look up to you, and then they will come to you. And if you build a business in that way, you're going to be so much more successful than just trying to sell to people. Okay. Now, if this is something that interests you, feel free to look down below at the description. I'll also put a link up above, and I'll add like if you want to join me in what I'm specifically doing. Obviously, I can't help everybody. And that's why I'm being very cautious with the words that I'm using, because obviously it's my business. Okay. It's my business of what I'm doing. I try to keep things very separate. And so if I do have some nurses on here that would like to either make a side income or start, transitioning to work more time from home, doing your own thing, educating, if this sounds like something you would like to do. Now, once again, this is a business opportunity. It is your own business. You're going to have obviously a little bit of business overhead. I think my business overhead every month is about $60. It's not much business overhead that I have. And I can tell you I've replaced my nursing income completely, and I was working 60 to 80 hours every single week as a wound care specialist. Like, I've replaced that income. So the $60 overhead, I mean, for a business, that's nothing. And then you have all your write-offs. So that's the greatest thing. That $60 is a complete write-off. So I'm not paying for gas, I'm not paying for lunches, because when you're out at work, coworkers want to go out for lunch, coffees, whatever. You're spending way more than that in a week on just filling up your car with gas. So when it comes down to it, the $60 is not, to me anyway. So yes, there's business overhead. Yes, it's your own business. Yes, you're going to have to put work into your business. It's your own business. You're going to have to work hard and put out educational videos. Now, the videos that I'm posting on social media, they're like 15 seconds to a minute long. And sometimes I'm just finding things online, news clippings, post them as reels. Like, you can use different articles and post them as reels. You can put them in behind you and talk about a news article. Like, however you want to educate, that's what you're going to do. But post reels, stories are all things I utilize. They are absolutely free. I do not pay for advertising, and you're going to grow organically. If you're posting once a day, you're going to grow organically, and then all of a sudden you're just going to explode. I have a reel that was just actually shared over 300 times. Okay. And that one reel has gained me so many followers. Okay. And then it just keeps going and going. So that's how I'm personally doing it. If that's something that that sounds like you would love to do it or learn more, once again, the link's down below. We'll have like a one-on-one Zoom meeting so we can discuss more. That's how I do it. If you want help to do this, that's how I have to do it. It has to be a one-on-one Zoom call because I don't have time to be helping and texting or like getting emails, because to have a conversation is just so much easier than a back and forth through texting or through email. So I would appreciate it if you would book that way. I also would really appreciate if you are going to book with me, if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please do show up for your call. Okay. I have it on there absolutely 100% free at this time. I did have a price on it before because I was having some people make appointments, cancel, whatever. Please show up for your appointment. I have put it in for absolutely free for the time being, because I knew that I was going to post this on my YouTube channel, because really you guys are here, you're here all the time, you're supporting my channel. I absolutely love you guys, and if I can help you in any way, that's what I'm going to do. So it is 100% free for my assistants at this time, to get your business up and running. Use the exact same model I'm doing, have the support. We do have a group. I do have a group of people who I am working with. Everything is set up for you to be successful. All you have to do is do a little bit of the work, make the videos, do kind of the attraction marketing. Everything else is there for you. There's training there for you. Anything, any questions, anything like that that you have, once we're working together, you'll have full access to me really 24/7. I don't like it when people message me at night, but hey, I mean, I'm there. I'll answer you in the morning. And we can always make sure that you're successful in this journey. Okay. And that's the main thing. That's my main goal here, is to help some nurses who have been here through day one. Maybe it's for my wound care information, maybe it's for some of my shorts, the YouTube short, whatever has brought you to my channel, whatever. However you're seeing this, I am here to support you, and that's really what it's all about. That's what my channel has been about since day one, is just really helping nurses, helping patients, bettering their lives. So I thought that this would be a great way. You know, when you have something great, when you're doing something great, I have been helping so many people, and so many people out there need help. So that's what it comes down to. And if I can build an army of nurses helping other people better their lives, that's my goal. So that's all I have for this video. Once again, if you're interested, links down in the description, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Bye for now.